Presented our new units that just came out, and would love to have some people joining us for this venture. I can take you through and show you what we've got. To start with, we've got a big deck, lots of space for kids, barbecue, nice area for picnic, nice open plan, very safe. The capsule work with a code, so it's very safe. The code will be provided every time someone comes for a booking. Inside, the capsules start with a king bed, fully glass in the front, glass roof where you can lay in your bed and watch the stars. Then we got a big deck on the outside with a door. Have a nice view outside. You can see my existing park. It's right here. The park is there for a long time, so we're changing it a little bit up now. And yeah, then back inside, the unit come with a queen bed, like I said. It's got a single that can pack out. It comes with a TV, all electronic, working with the curtains and stuff. It's got an air con. Then the kitchen, people are still busy here making some food. Come out with some nice bar chairs. We got a microwave. You got a nice fridge. You got your half kitchen, half bathroom with a touch screen mirror, all fans, everything. Then you get a full equipped bathroom with toilet and a very spacious shower with pressure and hot water. Everything comes included there. So I hope to see you guys joining.